Hello and welcome to Red Sports. We're in Manchester and we have a huge development coming in from the Indian camp. This time around, it is Nitish Kumar Reddy who is likely to be ruled out of the tournament due to an injury. We're not sure of the specifics here. We're not sure how serious his injury is or what the injury is at the moment. But the news is coming in and sources are telling us that Nitish Kumar Reddy is likely to be out of this tournament. Now, really look at the entire situation. The Indian camp has been hit with so many injuries at once. It started with Rishabh Pant and his index finger, Dhruv Jurel, having to come into the team and having to keep the wickets in those last 2 days of the Lord's Test match. Then it was Akashdeep whose back injury started coming up. He has a recurring back injury problem. Then it was Arshdeep Singh who got an injury to his finger. He got a cut, he had to get stitches, is ruled out of this test that is to be played at the Old Trafford Stadium. And of course, now it's Nitish Kumar Reddy who's also being hit with an injury. So when you look at the entire context of the series, the pace bowling attack has been seriously damaged. The well-rounded pace bowling attack that you saw coming up at the Edgbaston Test match has now been completely dismantled because you have to think about Jasprit Bumrah's workload management. Mohammad Siraj has bowled the most amount of overs among the fast bowlers. Nitish Kumar Reddy is now likely to be ruled out of the tournament. Arshdeep Singh has been ruled out of this test match and Akashdeep is carrying a serious niggle. So who does that leave you with? You only have now a Shardul Thakur, a Prasidh Krishna and an Anshul Kamboj who has been flown into England as a backup. So that is the latest development from Manchester. We will be back with more updates very soon.